Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Elena and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you guys. The first box I have here is Boxy charm, another Boxy charm, and I have a bigger box here. Are you excited to see what it is? FabFitFun. But let's get started with the Boxy charm. Super excited. So this is what's inside. There's a card over here. It's called Candy Shop. Okay, so let's begin. So the first thing I have is a Brazilian Kiss tinted lip butter. This is what it looks like. Smells really good. And this retails for $20. Okay, the next here is Murad. This is a exfoliating cleanser, and this retails for $40. The next, here I have eyelashes, and they retail for $19.99. This, I'm not sure what this is, but let's open it up and take a look. It says Luxy. And what do we have? Ooh, we have brushes here. Not just one, not just two, not just three, not just four, but total of 5 brushes. And here they are. 2 and 3. Awesome. Very nice. It was nice to have extra brushes. Okay. And the last but not least, I'm assuming this is a palette. And this is called Breakfast in Bed Eyeshadow Palette. So I love the packaging. Here it is. Very nice colors. Actually, my favorite color is, out of all, even though I like them all, would be the pajamas. It's this one right here. Very beautiful color. So this is what I got in my first box, and this retails for $38. Okay, let's keep moving. I'm happy with this box so far. Okay, and then let's get started with this one. This one, I'll open it first. It's right over here. Okay, got it open. Ooh. It says on the card, glam vibes only. And, ooh, this is exciting. So the first thing I have is a blush and bronzer trio. Here, let's open it up so I can show you guys. Okay. Okay. Oh, here it is. That's very beautiful. Very nice colors. Okay, and this retails for $42. Phase Zero. That's the name of the brand. Okay. Now here's one item. The next in the box is Pharmacy Cheer Up. And this is a brightening vitamin C eye cream. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this one is in this small packaging. So this is that's what it looks like. It smells good. Okay, and it retails for let's see, $45. This is number 2. Ooh, Laura Geller mascara. Let's open it up and see. Okay. Very nice. Oh, here it is. This mascara retails for $24. That's number 3 in the box. The next thing here, I have Glam in Paradise Gold Foil Masks infused with cannabis sativa seed oil. And this retails for $24. This is number 4. And the number 5 item that I have in the box is this. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't know what that is. It's kind of like a book. No, it's not a book. It's a, oh, let's open it up and see. But the packaging is gorgeous. So let's see what it is. Okay. Probably scissors for that. Okay. Not open all the way yet. Let me see. Takes time. A little time. Oh, ooh, guys, you're not gonna believe this. This is amazing. Take a look at this. This is just wonderful. Wow, I'm very surprised. So this is an eyeshadow, I believe. Alamar Cosmetics. This is an eyeshadow, day and night. Features 8 stunning shades, and this retails for $28. Let's look at it again. Right here. Oh, very beautiful colors. And the colors are Pero-like, Tiresome Show, Tien Swing, Guau, I'll Cute, Ya Ya Ya, Muy Excited, and Ponte Hyper. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but you can look at it all day. Very beautiful colors. Okay, that is all for the Boxy Charm. I love everything that I got in this box as well. Let's keep moving. And I got here the FabFitFun box right over here. So let's open it up. This is my second box. I received the first box in the summer. Okay, so I'm very excited. Very excited. Okay, the box has been officially opened. It's been opened officially. So let's see what's inside. Put it over here. Okay, so get the magazine here. Okay, put this over here. Ooh, this is a Glow Milk nourished with coconut argan oil, illuminating milk for face and body. Wow, that's so cool. And the packaging is so cute. It's like a milk box. And there's a smiley face over here. Wow. Well, let's open it up. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Here it is. That's pretty cool. Take it out from here. That is awesome. Here it is. It has like a light smell to it. Oh, this is cool. Oh, very impressive. Okay. Let's see. That's the first item. And they also send you like coupons as well. It says HelloFresh $80 off. Includes the free shipping too. Okay. Oh, what is this? This is a Perfect Repair Treatment. For I'm not sure. Oh, oh, it smells so amazing. It smells good. Put this back. This. And close it. Okay, the next thing, what is this? This is an blue light blocking eyewear. Interesting. Interesting. Wow. That is awesome here. What? Glasses. Let's take a look. Ooh. That's cool. Very cool. They are called Nectar. The brand is named Nectar. Okay, and the next thing I have here, what is this? This is Woolite. Keeps clothes looking like new. Okay, the next thing I have here is this is for hair, like hair clip. The next thing, ooh, pumpkin spice. Wow. Let's open this up. I'm excited. Oh my God. Look. What is that? Oh, that's a pedicure kit. Includes 2 complete 4-step pedicure kits. That is so cool. Check this out. That is awesome. Wow, I didn't know what it was exactly. Yeah, that's exciting. Wow. That is awesome. Okay, the next thing. What? So there's another card. This one is the $45 credit, personalized wine matched to your taste. What is this? Wow, this is a I have no idea what that is. What is that? Scarf. Oh, that's a scarf. That's pretty cool. Yep. Very cool. Okay, let's continue on. There's 2 more things on here. This is Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. That's what it looks like. It's a brow gel. I thought it was a mascara for at first, but it's a clear gel. And okay, that's cool. Oh my God, what is this? Boxy Bay. Wow, take a look at this. This is so cool. This is so cool. Okay, let's open it up, and I can show you. This is a for hair. Rose Gold's 25 millimeters wand. Wow, very, very impressed. That is so awesome. So here it is. Amazing. Wow. I didn't expect this at all, guys. This is wow. This is so cool. This is a makeup one or hair wand, I'm sorry. Boxy Bay. That's so nice. I'm very, very surprised with these boxes. So please let me know, you guys, what you guys thought and what you guys got in your boxes. Please stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching and have a good night. Take care, guys.